Hello everybody, today we will be modeling this orthographic pictorial in Inventor. This video will be more of a tutorial to teach Inventor. Without any more interruptions, let's get into it. To start a project, press New, standard.ipt, and then click Create. Now, start a new 2D sketch on the XZ plane, and then draw the base. Typically, the base is the top drawing, and this one is no exception. You can use the rectangle tool to make the shape. If you're confused why the bottom line is 60 units, think about it like this. The top drawing is to look at it from the top. The middle drawing is looking straight at it, and the right drawing is looking at it from the right. When we try to find the length of this bottom line, we are trying to find the length of this line right here, which is the same as the line here, which is labeled as 60 units. That's how we find out how many units something is in a drawing when it isn't directly given. This may sound confusing, but after practice you will be able to understand it better and will be able to easily decipher how long a line is. Now that the sketch is done, we can extrude it, which is what gives it the height. As you can see, the top box is 40 units tall, but the bottom box is 30 units, so we will have to extrude them separately. Let's start with the top one. Now, if we look at the bottom, right-click and press the light bulb symbol, we can get the sketch back so that we can extrude the bottom box again. Now let's make a new sketch in the face of the bottom box. We can make a 20 by 10 box on the middle right like this. Then we have to make a hole that's 10 inches deep. We can do this by pressing this button with the arrow facing back. Now we can make another sketch on the same face. Make a rectangle that goes from the top left to the bottom left of the hole. Make it a hole that goes back 20 inches. Now if you look at it, you can see that the object is done. However, there are lots of ways that you can make this. This is just one of those ways. So I want to go over just one more common way that you could have made this object. First, let's go back to when we first extruded the object. Instead of making the bottom box 30 inches tall, let's make it only 10 inches tall. One way we can do that is by make a hole right here that's 60 by 20. Make it 20 inches deep. Start a new sketch on top of the bottom box. The idea here is to try to make the L-shaped box. Begin by adding a 10 by 20 rectangle on the top right. Extrude the rectangle by 2 inches. On the face of the rectangle, make another 10 by 20 rectangle. Make sure it is on the top. Extrude it 10 inches outward. There, now the object is done. We have now successfully made this object twice, and as you can see, it looks exactly like the drawing. However, just because it looks like the drawing doesn't mean we got the dimensions right. We can check if our dimensions were correct by turning it into a drawing. Learning how to make drawings is important to check work, but sometimes it's required when you're trying to show someone your drawing in a professional environment. To start your drawing, click New, and then click Drawing. Right now, nothing is there, so click on Base. It will ask you to save your object if you haven't already. Now, we want the picture to look like the bottom left drawing. We can change it by rotating the cube. After that, scale it down as you're going to want 4 of these pictures and have room for dimensions. Drag it up towards the top, but not by too much. When you're done with that, click on Projected and then click on the base, then towards the top right, and to the right. Make sure they're evenly spaced out, and then right click and click Create. Now go to the Annotations tab and click Dimension. Now we have to add the little numbers, which is really easy. Find the line you want to dimension, click on it, and then bring your mouse up. When you're done, click and then press OK. Do this for all the lines that you see have dimensions. For this line, press the top point and then press the bottom point since it's 2 lines. When you're done annotating, right-click the name of the drawing on the left and then click on Eye Properties. Go to Summary and then put in all the details that you can. Typically, just put down the title, subject, and then your name. Then you're done. You can save it by clicking File, Export, PDF, then save it by whatever name you want. Thank you for watching my video. If you want more tutorials, I will be posting more advanced tutorials on my channel, and hopefully we can learn more about Inventor together. See you next time.